did. It come down. We was out. I stood out there. It come down, went up, and went right across. Then landed. It touched down over at Shilling, Dennis. It got there. Got that ball. I imagine it probably ripped it apart. It's only been there for 100 years.
Yeah, so even in the backyard, you know.
I'm on Green Road right now, and you can see what appears to be an Ivy Hill sign. I'm just on Green Road off Concord. It's probably close to 9 o'clock. Apparently a tornado has ripped through the area, doing quite a bit of damage, as you can see. A lot of trees are down. So this is an aftermath of a small tornado here. I'm not sure if it touched down. I actually witnessed the tornado come over our house.
Zach, come here for a minute.
This building here on Green Road doesn't even belong in this lady's property. I'm not sure where it blew from, but you can see the tree is down. A lot of debris. Tornado obviously ripped right through here, and it looks like it traveled in this direction. Although you can see how strong the wind gets. This is a good example of how strong the winds can get in a tornado. I don't know if you can see it very well on camera, but all the grass is blown over. But this building doesn't belong in this person's yard. It belongs way back over there. So it looks like that's the path of the tornado. As you can see, all the trees are just ripped apart, just snapped. Major debris right along here. Somebody's grill. What's that? Yeah, oh yeah. You guys had it good right here, didn't you?
Yeah.
Were you at home at the time? Were you home at the time?
Oh yeah, yeah. Oh, we didn't even hear that. I mean, the electric went out, and all of a sudden, next thing we know, the house, you know, you could feel the house moving.
Yeah. I live about an eighth of a mile up the road, and I was out letting the dogs out, and I saw the debris up in the air, and I could hear it hitting down here.
Yeah.
So that's crazy.
Man.
That's something else.
So what do you think it was?
Well, I'm glad everybody's safe.